In this video, I'll show you two ways to retrieve a deleted branch from Git. Let's start with some initial setup. We'll initialize a Git repo. We'll add our first commit from master. And then we'll add the file and we'll commit. Next, we'll create a new branch, call it test branch. We'll modify the index.html to show a second commit. We'll add it again. And then if we do a git log, then you'll see both of these commits. But if you go back to master, you only see the first commit. Now, say by accident you delete the test branch, and then if you want to look at the list of branches that you have, there's only master. Test branch went to garbage. If you want to retrieve it, the first way is to take the SHA-1 hash that is here or here and just git check out the SHA-1 commit. Now you're back at it, and if you want to actually check git log, the second commit is here, and if you want to recover this garbage collected SHA-1, then you could just do git checkout b, basically create the same branch back again. And now if you do git branch, you're here, and git log, it's still here. Now the second way, let's just delete it again. The second way to retrieve the deleted branch is through the reflog command that Git provides. It's a little bit hard to read the messages here, so you might end up checking a couple of SHA-1 hashes before you actually end up with the one you want. Let's try to understand. In the beginning, there is the first commit from master. Then we move from master to test branch. That's the checkout command we did, git checkout test branch. And then here is where we add our second commit. And then here is where we move from test branch to master. Then we to some other stuff there. But what we're concerned with is when we added the second commit, and that's this one. If we git check out this SHA-1 commit and then git log, then you see the second commit. If you open index.html, then it's here. If you want to recover it again, just add it back. And there you go. That's how you recover a Git branch.